Granny is looking after Bill and his baby brother Ben. They go to the park. Granny stops to watch the boats on the lake and to listen to the band playing. She finds a bench to sit down on. Bill sees his friend, Rob, who has a bat and ball set. They find some more friends and have a game of baseball. They throw the ball at each other and bash it as hard as they can. As the bat hits the ball, it goes buh, buh, buh. I think I had better keep a safe distance from the baseball, says Granny. She pushes baby Ben along the path at the side of the boating lake.